Hi everyone. Today I'm here with a new mental health activity and hope you will enjoy it. And the purpose of this mental health game is see, I have made this for you. Like, explore yourself. What is it? Explore yourself means we have, two sides of our personality. As you all know, the one which I'm representing myself, that is my personality. But there is one inside personality which is hidden, which only we know that this is our real personalities. For example, if somebody tell you some good news, right? And but I'm feeling happy for him or her, but from inside I'm feeling that काश मैं भी कर पाती, right? So this is my inner personality, but outward personality is I'm very happy with his or her achievement. I will congrats him and I will say, wow, you have achieved a lot in your life, very good. But from inside I will be very very sad. So that is our inside personality. So there are two phases of personality. The one in which I represent myself, that is my outward personality, and one is my inner self, that is my inside personality. So today I'm going to talk to you regarding this only, right? Usually what we do is we really give time to others. We really want to solve problem of others, and sometimes when we are in problem also we research for those people who help us. But why we are searching for other, why we are searching for other sources? Can't we help ourselves? No. So for that I'm here to help you. Like how? Like, first we should know ourselves, that who am I, then only I will be able to help you. If somebody come to you for a help, you obviously ask his all the details, but do you think you yourself know about yourself? So you should know about yourself first, right? Like, in this what I have done is I have made a list of the activity which I use, which I do during my mental health, during this lockdown period, and the things which I want to do. That is, as you can see that there are two colors I have used, that is yellow and blue, right? The blue one is I am doing that activity to enhance my mental health, but the yellow one is I want to do so that I should be very positive of my mental health. So I used to arrange my room, that is my positive aspects, and I really want to do for that, for good mental health. This is the things which I do during the lockdown period. I usually read books, I play board games. These are my do's list which I do during this period. But there are many things which I really want to do, okay? But this is the time I have allotted by the God, that you should work on your skills. So I really want to work on my skill enhancement. I should really want to know about myself, right? We spend our whole life looking like, this is his negative quality, this is his positive quality, I am the best, I am this, I am that. But what about our negative skills? What about our negative qualities? Do we really work on that? So this is the time given to us by the God, so that we work on our negative, negativity inside us, and we should believe that it should convert in positivity, right? So the you have to make the list so that it should be clearly visible to you also, that what are your, what are you doing to enhance your mental skill, and what in future you have to do to enhance your mental skills, right? Thank you so much.